Zashiki Warashi. Once upon a time, in a river in the Tohoku region, there was a person taking fish in a small boat. When I was about to pull up the fish net, I heard a voice like a child calling me, so when I turned around, a child standing on the riverbank with his luggage wrapped in a furoshiki was waving to me. I wonder if you're the one who called me now. What are you doing in such a place? I was going to swim to the other side, but the water was cold and I stopped it. Can you give me a ride to the other side? Okay. But wait a minute. When I finish raising the net, I'll take you to the other side. The man asked the child sitting next to him while rowing a boat. Well, what are you going to do from now on? Yeah, until just a few hours ago, I lived in an old house in that village without any inconvenience. But I had to rebuild the house this time, so I decided to live there. There's an old house here too. The child pointed to the other village and said, I'm thinking of staying there for a while. When the boat arrives at the riverbank soon. We've arrived. Take care, boy, that said. When the man looks back, there is no child. I felt like I was pinched by a fox. According to rumors, the most prosperous house in the village suddenly lost its business. People said it was because they rebuilt the house. On the other hand, another old house suddenly began to prosper. It was an old inn, but it didn't actually go well. Sometimes there were no guests for several days. But one day, a customer stayed alone, and after dinner, when he was relaxing, a boy came into the room. I don't do arm wrestling with me. Okay. But the boy has no chance of winning. The customer, who had too much free time, accepted the child's invitation. However, no matter how many times I tried, I couldn't beat the child, and I finally surrendered. The next morning, the man said to the owner of the inn, "You're a really strong child. I thought I could win easily by doing arm wrestling at night, but I can't win no matter how many times I try. There's no one who can beat your son." "Arm wrestling with my son. What are you talking about? I don't have a son at home." After that, the rumor spread, and the inn became known to the region in no time, and a lot of guests came, so the inn was full of guests. After a few years, the owner of the inn felt like someone was going out of the front door, so he looked at the entrance, but there was no one. Since then, the customers' feet have completely stopped. That child has gone somewhere, People made a rumor. The end.